Today we'll be doing a process improvement on my shoe rack. So this shoe rack currently holds 20 pairs of shoes. I have a variety of tennis shoes, heels, sandals, seasonal boots. Whenever I can't find my shoes here, I have this space underneath my bed where I have an additional 6 pairs of shoes. And today, while I was putting these boots away, I realized that if I put one forward and one backwards, which this was accidental, I have a better visual of the shoe, and there's actually like a little bit more space between that shoe and the next pair in comparison to these where they're kind of, like a little bit more snug. So I realized I would be saving space that way, and if I put one forward and one backwards, I just have like a better visual of it. For example, these black shoes and these black shoes, I often get them mixed up, so I pull them out and then I realize it's the wrong one, and then I have to put it back, so it's a wasted motion. So I will be sorting them and categorizing them by all heels, all tennis shoes, and all boots, and then putting them forward and backwards like this one and see how much space I save. So this is my shoe rack after having done the process where I flipped one shoe forward and one shoe backward. I also categorized my shoes by tennis shoes, all heels, and then all boots. And then this bottom row is just going to be shoes that I don't wear really that often. And in addition to categorizing it, I also am getting rid of these 2 pair of shoes because I don't really wear them, so I was able to eliminate those. By doing this process, I was able to move all the shoes that I had underneath my bed. There were 6 pairs. This went from holding 20 pairs of shoes to 22. It's more organized, so now it's easier to see the shoe, to grab it, and I don't have to keep moving back and forth. And the only shoes that I don't have on the rack are these slides that I, wear just around the house, so that way I can access those easier. And I actually have 2 more slots for 2 more pair of shoes here on the end, so that's really cool. Definitely glad that I did this process improvement because now I eliminate the time going back from this spot to underneath my bed. And I know that if a pair of shoes is not here, it has to be in my car because oftentimes when I'm going back and forth from U of H, I switch clothes in the car and my shoes may be in there. So I know that if they are not here, then they're definitely in my car.